All right. Once you're done setting up your categories in the monthly total sheet, it's time to move on to the calendar tab. This is where the magic of weekly planning really begins. Here, you'll start by simply selecting your month, the year, and the start day. Whether your week begins on a Sunday or a Monday, totally up to you. Once you do that, the calendar below will automatically populate with the exact dates for that month. This visual layout gives you a super clean view of your entire month, week by week. You'll also notice that each week is separated clearly on the left side, which helps keep things neat and lets you track your spending on a weekly basis. The best part? These dates aren't just for show. They're linked directly to the 5 weekly sheets. So as you enter your data in week 1, week 2, and so on, those sheets will pull the exact dates from here, giving you a seamless, date-specific experience across your entire budget. Think of this as your financial command center for the month, and it all starts here. Once you've picked your month and start date, you're all set to move on and begin entering your actual numbers. After budgeting your weekly sheets, you can see the calendar as a smart to-do section, which can notify you your future expenses.